Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my makeup brushes. So of course, you're going to need your dirty makeup brushes. These are my brushes that need to be washed. You'll also need some mason jars. You're also going to need some dish soap, some conditioner, and also some type of cleaning pad to clean your brushes. I got this off of Amazon. It was super inexpensive. I will link it down below for you guys. Okay, so what I like to do first is I like to soak my brushes in some soap. So I'm just going to use my mason jars. I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap, and I'm also going to add some conditioner because the conditioner helps to condition the brushes and doesn't make it get like hard and brittle or dry and brittle and stuff. So I'm just going to put all of my dirty brushes in there just to give them a little pre-soak. I'm going to leave them in the jar for about 10 minutes just so we can penetrate the brushes and get all the makeup buildup and stuff to come off. So I'm just going to swirl them in the jar really quickly, and then I'm going to leave them to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can already see the makeup is coming off. So after the time has passed, I'm going to start to take the brushes out, and I'm going to start to brush it on this makeup brush cleaning pad. Like I mentioned before, I did get this off of Amazon, and it has a bunch of different like textures on it that really helps to get the makeup off. So I'm just going to be brushing the brushes on that little cleaning pad, and if you need to, you can go ahead and add some soap to it also, just if you need it to lather a little bit more. So I'm just going to continue to brush all my brushes on the cleaning pad. So here, as you can see here, the cleaning pad really does work. It's getting all that makeup off. I haven't even rinsed that brush off yet, but it really got most of the makeup off. So I'm really liking this cleaning pad. They're super inexpensive as well, and you can get this from like Sephora. I've seen them in some like makeup stores, but like I said, I got mine from Amazon. As you guys can see, I'm getting a lot of makeup off of the brushes. You can see the makeup just running down into my sink. It is so important to clean your brushes, ladies, because you don't want all that leftover makeup going back on your face. Like, look how much eyeliner and eyebrow powder is coming off of that brush. Like, it was black. So yeah, make sure you guys are cleaning your brushes frequently because that's not good for your skin. Okay, so once all the brushes are nice and lathered up with soap and nice and clean, it is time to rinse. So I'm just gonna take this little hand towel. I'm gonna place it on the side of my sink because I'm gonna place them on that towel to dry. So what I like to do is I like to rinse my brushes in a downward motion just so I don't get water into the ferrule. The ferrule is the section that actually holds the bristles together with the glue. So if you get the water in there, it's going to let the glue come undone, and the bristles on your brushes are going to start to come out, and we don't want that to happen. So I like to just rinse my brushes in a downward motion, and I also like to set the shape that I want the brush to dry in. So as you can see, I just kind of brush the bristles in a downward motion, and I kind of just shape it into the shape that I want so that it'll dry in that shape and it won't dry in like weird directions and stuff. So that's what I like to do. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to rinse these brushes and place them on the towel to dry. So for this particular brush, I had to go back in and soap it up a little bit more because I use this brush a lot for like my concealer and my eyebrows and everything. So I just had to go back in and add a little bit more soap and then re-rinse it out. So if there's any brushes that you need to do an additional wash, then go ahead and soak it back in that pre-soak liquid that we had before, and then you can go ahead and rinse it out after. And then I'm just gonna throw out the rest of the water since we don't need it anymore. So I'm just gonna throw that out, and as you can see, it was so brown. So here are all of the washed brushes looking so lovely. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna leave them on this towel to dry. I'm gonna leave them to dry for a few hours or even overnight. And once your brushes are dry, this is what they will look like, and you will have beautiful clean brushes ready for your next makeup application. So here are what my brushes are now looking like, and the bristles are feeling so soft. So that is why we use the conditioner, because it just helps keep the bristles feeling nice and soft. You don't want dry bristles to be on your skin when you're applying your makeup. So the pre-soak and the conditioner and the pre-soak really help to keep it soft. So yes, this is how I clean my makeup brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.